A very last minute gas mask review, because I don't really have a lot of time, and this is actually going up on my eBay. I'm taking photos for it right now, and I realised I didn't actually review it. We've got a crappy filter down here made by Hour, even though this mask is not made by Hour, I think. ABL 1972, which tells me that it's Belgian, and it's seen better days. But regardless, this is the Belgian ANP M51, not the French variant. Very simple mask as far as old masks go. Of course, you can guess when it was made. If I remember correctly, it was 1951. Most gas mask names like that do attain to the year that they were designed and then mass produced. Little neck strap, which has turned into essentially string at this point due to how old it is, and it's completely cracking around all of these little hooks. In the sport bar, you can see here, M51, size 1. 1959, and one of the interesting things is that no one really knew what the sizes were for this thing. Also CBB1 there again. I think it was the CBB that tells us it's the Belgian variant. No one really knew what sizes were large for this. A lot of people assumed 3 was large, but I thought, okay, if no one else is going to find out, then I will, and so I bought a size 1, and I can tell you that this is large. This unthreads right here. We can see the terrible star-shaped pattern exhale valve, which of course has been perforated in this one before I got a hold of it, which comes right off. And then you got this little thing in here, which is your little dust stopper guard. There isn't really a lot for me to say about this. It's super basic as far as designs go. One of the things that's weird about this is how long it stayed in service, especially the French variant. Inside there you can see it's just rough with TISO tubes and a simple 40mm design. It stayed in service for a seriously long time, and if you compare it to the ANP F1 or the ARFA, you can see really how much of it was just copied over and upgraded. It really is just an upgraded variant. You still get your little button nose, except it's not an exhale now. Bottom loading canister, TISO tubes, still got the hooks. The head harness is pretty much exactly the same but a different colour. It's a rather uncanny feature, and of course now the ARFA was panoramic. There wasn't a lot to talk about this, I just wanted to cover it in brief before I put it on eBay. Cheers lads.